Good morning, everybody. I'm here with Victor Pena, President, CEO, Founder, OmniPrint International.
Morning.
So good morning. I'm Martin Mahano with John Varvatos. This is an exciting time for John Varvatos South Coast Plaza. As you can see over here, we're getting our printers installed, and this is actually a whole new chapter for this particular boutique. I can't thank you enough, man. Can you tell us a little bit about what we got going on here today?
Yeah, so the main goal here is to make retail really exciting. So we've come up with a disrupt retail, so hashtag disrupt retail, which is what we're doing is we want to have a personalized experience for somebody that comes into John Varvatos store, and they could pick some of their images, some of their favorite images. You're gonna have some cool artists come that are really well known, and they could pick some of the art, print it right on our FreeJet direct-to-garment printer, and it's something that they can take and hold with them, and they can share with their friends, and it's a personalized experience that they can't get anywhere else. So that's why we're super excited to be able to do this.
Absolutely, and I'm super excited because we're the only showroom to actually have this machine housed. So get ready,
Exactly.
We're disrupting retail right before your eyes, and this is an exciting time here at John Varvatos.